What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing slash unpackaging video to do with you guys. Every now and then I get asked, Metal Complex, how do I get on your level in terms of unboxing slash unpackaging skills? How did you learn to be the greatest unpackager on YouTube? Well, I'll tell you, it's two things really. It's a quality precision cutting apparatus and a practiced steady hand. You have to make sure that your cuts are precision and ergonomic in terms of ergonomic. I had to pause. Ergonomic and economic. That's a word. In terms of, basically how you open the package. So this right here, basically, this is how the cut should look. That's really, there's only one way to open a package, and it should take you roughly 1 minute and 3 seconds. So now that we're into the first layer, we're going to apply the exact same strategy to the second layer. Make sort of a sweeping slice. Okay, this is normal. And then you just pull everything apart. Okay, so what we have here, before I pull this out, jokes aside, what we have here is likely another knife from the Pass Around group, which means it's from the manufacturer. I don't know what it is. I should keep track of this stuff, but it makes it more fun for me, and I hope for you guys when I'm kind of just reacting organically to, oh, cool, okay. Oh, there we go. Something fun and interesting. You guys probably read that on there. So everybody knows how I feel, or a lot of you guys know, excuse me, Lady of the Sea, you're no longer the star. Everybody knows how I feel about the bug out, but I'm interested to talk about this guy because, it's super popular. So this is, as far as I can tell, and the review, I'll give it a more detailed explanation and some honest thoughts when I do the review, but this, to me, is a Tanto bug out with a bail, or it's not really a bail, but that's what it made me think of. It's sort of a lanyard piece. Yeah, we'll talk about that. Benchmade. This is an interesting knife. I did read some people's comments about it's a great knife if you're wearing athletic shorts, or you're wearing sort of light summery attire and you still want to carry a knife. That's a good point. I'm going to try and remember that point when I am, get that piece of cardboard off of there, when I am doing the review. But that's going to be pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check that stuff out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.